In a previous video, I have described the process of downloading macOS 13, macOS Ventura in unsupported devices. You can find the video in my YouTube channel. Just open YouTube and type iTech for Mac, then go to my YouTube channel to get the video under the Videos tab. This video describes the whole process for downloading macOS Ventura on unsupported device. Now I have the downloaded macOS in Downloads folder here. This video will describe the process to convert the downloaded version, the downloaded installation package, into an ISO image that can be used for several purposes into different virtual machines like Virtualbox and VMware and other virtual machines. Follow the steps in this video to convert the macOS.app into macOS Ventura.iso. First, you have to install the downloaded package. Just open the download folder, then into the macOS install the package. Now go to the applications folder where you will find the installer. Search for it in the applications folder. Here is the downloaded install macOS 13 beta version. Copy this installer and paste it into your desktop. Here is the installer. To convert this installer.app into ISO image, just open terminal application, and go to my website itechformac.net. There are a post named how to convert a macOS installer.app to a bootable ISO image using terminal. Here you will find the terminal commands that will be used. This is the first terminal command. Copy this part. Then drag the installer. Then this part. And choose to name the DMG into Ventura, and complete with this last part. Press enter and wait until the first DMG is created. This command will create a DMG which have a size of 15 gigabytes into your MacBook, so please ensure that you have enough disk space. Wait until this step completed and go to the second command, and so on. You will find the links to my website into the description of this video. Now the DMG is created into your desktop, named install macOS 13 beta.app.dmg. This is the name of the first DMG that we have created. Now attach this DMG. Just copy this part from command 2 and drag the DMG. Then this part. And write Ventura. To press return. Now we have attached the created DMG into your MacBook. Then to the third command to create a bootable macOS Ventura into this virtual disk. Type sudo this command to create a bootable macOS Ventura installer. sudo followed by space, then open the installer, show package content, resources, and search for create install media. Drag this folder here, then type -- volume followed by space, then drag the container here and type -- no interaction, and press return. You may be asked to write your password here in this step. Just type your MacBook password. Wait for this step to be completed. It may take about 2 minutes. Now the installation media have been created. Just detach this volume using terminal also. Using this command hdutil detach, copy this part of the command, paste it here, then drag the volume, press return. The disk is ejected. Now we will convert this DMG into an image called CDR. hdutil convert, drag the DMG here, copy this part of the command, and drag it again, but rename the DMG into CDR. To press return. No space left. This means that I have to free up disk space. I will free up some disk space and continue. Now I have removed some big files from my MacBook and now I have a disk space. Repeat the command again, just copy it, paste it again, and press return. You will see that a new container is created, but its extension is CDR. Wait until this step is completed. It may take about 1 minute. Now I have created the CDR folder. Just convert this CDR into an ISO image using the last command. Type mv followed by space, then drag this folder for one time, then drag it again, but with renaming the last part CDR into ISO, and press return. Now I have created the ISO image of install macOS 13 beta. You can rename it as you want. I will upload this ISO image into my website in the downloads section. You can find it here. Just open my website, iTech for Mac, in the downloads section. You will find this ISO image and you can download it directly from here. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. I want to add a note. This method is suitable for the developer's version of macOS 13. So you will see here a step that describes installing the package, but the public beta will not contain this package installer. It will be downloaded directly as app installer, so you can follow the same steps, but using the app installer into your desktop as described in the video. Thank you.